Morning. It is currently, I don't know, I'm looking at my wrist. I haven't even got a watch. It's around about 10 o'clock, I think. 9:30, 10-ish, something like that. Now I'm at a place called World's End. It's in Wales. I don't think it is the World's End, if I'm honest. If it is, it's a nice place. Not a bad place to be when the world comes to an end. It's nice. I've almost broke my neck once already over a ford. You can see that in the video. Fucking hell. But I'm here because there is supposedly a couple of caves and they're known as World's End Cave. Never been, only seen stuff online about it, so I'm here and I believe I've got to go up there to get to them. But I'm here because I'm going to see them. And with a bit of luck, I'll get to see them. Ignore the hair, it's very windy, so I look like I've been dragged through a bush backwards, but it is what it is. It's very quiet, it's very cold, it's midwinter. Like I've already mentioned, it's very windy. So with a bit of luck, the wind can die down because this place is absolutely stunning. And what I want to do is get the drone up and get some really cool landscape shots, but if the wind stays the way it is, my drone ain't going nowhere apart from somewhere in the hills where I will never be able to find it. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but right, we'll make a start. So we're gonna head up there and see where this goes.
World's End Cave, situated in Wales, is a fascinating natural wonder that entices hikers and adventurers. Tucked away within the picturesque landscapes of northern Wales, this cave is shrouded in mystery and allure, drawing explorers to uncover its hidden secrets.
No camping or fires. Well, fine, be that way. How boring. I've got to fucking hell. Oh shit. This bag's quite heavy, it's full of all kinds of filming gear. Also turns out, I didn't charge much last night, so all I've got now is this camera and my phone. So, I've got my drone, which I hopefully can get up in the air, so I don't want to risk it. Oh, look at that, that's nice. This place is stunning. I gotta admit, it is incredible. But yeah, I didn't charge anything, so I got no GoPro, which is a shitter. I've got no external microphone, so this is the camera microphone, and hopefully it's going to turn out a pretty decent video because I've wanted to come here for a long time. But just look at it. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Wales, God's country. Look at this. Why do these trees look so perfect? I've seen some trees in my time, but there's some good trees. Look how good they are. They're like just, when you see a pine tree, you're just like, that's it. That's it, that's the one. Imagine that as a Christmas tree. Shit. Wild. Anyway, moving on from trees. I'm so easily distracted. I've been walking for around about 2 minutes. I haven't really got far. But this river, it's not even a river. It's a stream. So it's a mini river, I guess. Oh, hello. Oh, my voice. See, I hit you with that then. My voice cracked. Oh, yeah, more of the absolute immaculate trees. Oh. Now first, we got a live one. Hang on. Be right back. Holy heckers. Now, I'm no survival expert, but I reckon this would be pretty sick as an overnight camping spot. Even though it says you can't camp. No camping or fires. One. And that's my phone, I'm catching all the rock. But yeah, so this is the first cave. Now I've seen a lot of videos and like blogs, well my phone's going wild, blogs about, there's like, what a crack, about how there's like a real extensive amount of caves around here, but most people only come across like this one and then the World's End cave that I'm looking for. But apparently, according to some people, there's a cave somewhere, don't know where, that's like huge, massive. But it's one of those things where I think you have to really explore to find it. I remember reading it and the guy on there said it was like 200 odd feet deep or something and you need a rope. Fortunately, I have a rope, but I don't have the cave, so I'm missing one or two of those things. If I was a cave, where would I be? Definitely behind them trees. So, curiosity got the better of me, and I'm behind the perfect pine trees. You can see there's a real cool rock, I guess. I don't know how a rock can be called unless you're Dwayne. There's stuff like that. There's nothing really that special back here. I haven't quite finished yet. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I think there's going to be a pretty decent view when I get over that brow. Oh shit. Path's a bit fucking narrow. Can we see anything? Torch, go. Whoa, SOSing. No. It's just a sick ass split in the rock. I don't know if this is going to come across in the video. It seems. Oh, shit. The video seems very sporadic. But you know what? I like it. What's going on in there then? Where's my torch? It do be nothing. Torch. Away. This is known as World's End. Woo. Sign me up. Damn. I've got to go all the way back yet. That's a dirty drop, that. Look at that. That's where we walked there. I think World's End cave is in there somewhere, amongst all that brash. Let's keep going. Jesus. So, if I do say so myself, I don't believe there are any caves up here. Oh, what a view. Look at that. Lovely. Oh, back we go. So I'm back now after the side quest. If any of you want to explore it, which I know some of you do, you know, people like to explore. So come from there. That's the main path. And then up there, behind the perfect pines. If you want, there's not really that much up there, but if you want to, like, you know, see the views, see the landscape, I recommend it. You get a bit of almost a treetop viewpoint of the landscape. So yeah, it's a bit of a hike, but It's not bad. Right, let's move on. And there's someone camping. Ooh, naughty, naughty. Just off the path, which is there. There's the path that leads up there. There's this little bad boy. Ow, I've got a stick in the face. I don't know. Oh, it would seem that a lot of these caves don't go very far. This is about as much as it is. It's nothing too glamorous. Not the 200-foot cave that I heard about. Okay. No, I've got to try and get out. God, I'm too big. I'm out. I feel like there's going to be a few of these dying around. Which I think is pretty cool. Ow. Ow. Wait. So, this is, oh, you can see the terrain is pretty feral and wild. We're gonna go up there, and that's where we come from. So we're just gonna keep walking, see how far we get. Not really on a time limit, so there's no really mad rush. But the ground is very uneven, that's for damn sure. It's not a I don't think it's a place that many people come to come and walk. I think it's one of those places, I imagine it's like the locals come here. The locals know about it, they walk their dog, they go for a run. That kind of thing. Oh? Is this it? I don't know, I'll tell you what, folks. I think. Oh shit! Fucking hell! I'm in the tree. So, I think this is it. I think this is what's known as World's End Cave. I'm gonna be honest. I expected something a little more than this. But nonetheless, let me, so the camera can deal with this a bit better. Oh. I don't. Oh, that's all full of water down there, look. Right there. Yeah. Oh, here we go, I've got all my lights on now. Yeah, there's not much in the way of this cave. Oh, I'm backing out. I can't see. I'm backing out. Back it up. Oh, I'm out. Whew. Yeah, there's not much in there, really. I'm going to be honest, I did expect a little more, but it's still a sick ass cave. Also, for those of you that are interested, it's actually, I'm going to be honest, it's not that much of a walk. So obviously follow that path down there, and then that takes you to literally to where that junction is, where that little ford was, where I walked through. And I'd probably say, if you were just like to go from there straight to this, 5-10 minute walk. It's not that far. And once you see the yellow pipe, you're there.
Thank you for joining me on this small adventure into the depths of World's End Cave. If you enjoyed exploring with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more thrilling adventures. And remember, the journey doesn't end here. There are countless mysteries waiting to be discovered beneath Earth's surface. So grab your gear and let's embark on a next great adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.